Gusto Payroll versus QuickBooks Payroll, best platform for payroll 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Gusto Payroll and QuickBooks Payroll. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Gusto Payroll. Gusto is a cloud-based payroll service known for its intuitive interface and comprehensive HR tools. It's designed to handle payroll, employee benefits, and compliance tasks for small to mid-sized businesses. Pros of Gusto include automated payroll runs, benefits administration, excellent customer support, and user-friendly onboarding for employees. It also integrates with accounting tools and time tracking. Cons include higher pricing tiers, limited reporting customization, and no native accounting platform. It relies on third-party integrations. Now let's talk about QuickBooks Payroll. QuickBooks Payroll is integrated with QuickBooks Online, offering a seamless experience for businesses already using QuickBooks for accounting. It provides full service payroll with automatic tax filing. Pros of QuickBooks Payroll include deep integration with QuickBooks Accounting, automatic tax payments and filings, and same-day direct deposit in higher plans. Cons include a steeper learning curve for new users, fewer HR features compared to Gusto, and customer service can be inconsistent. So that's basically the main differences between Gusto Payroll and QuickBooks Payroll, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.